Well, another great win for Wheaton College football. I'll tell you what, I'm getting old a little quicker than I want to after victories like this, but I'll tell you what, I'll still take them. Our kids really had a great football game today for Wheaton College. You know, I told our kids that they basically had to stop a locomotive that was going 100 miles an hour and stop it. We faced an Elmhurst football team that was 4-0, that was all juiced up and legitimately so. Good football team, tremendously improved football team. Like I said, 4-0, playing homecoming crowd. You know the game was being pumped up. They had phenomenal crowd, phenomenal enthusiasm. And, you know, the hot weather, and our kids were, you know, we were banged up. We were without our top 3 receivers by the end of the game, and starting fullbacks out, starting tailbacks out, and we had some kids step up and some kids play. And I know I went in at halftime, we were down, I believe it was down, we were down 17-14 at halftime, or 24-14 at halftime. And I told our kids, you know, we were just ready to come out. I said, man, this is a critical moment in your life. This is a critical moment in this football season. I said, you're on a break right now, and you can either come out and play hard and fight and compete, or you can just go out there and try to exist and just get by. And I told our kids, this is going to mark your life, and it's going to mark the season. And our players really responded. I mean, we came out second half. I mean, no points. Offense put 2 touchdowns on the board. I mean, kids are playing hurt, fatigued, tired. It was just a great effort. And I really think it's a mark of a good football team when you can withstand an onslaught like we did and have to turn something around that's really going in the wrong direction. That is a difficult thing to do, and our kids did that. And so many players stepped up and played well. I'm just exceedingly proud of them. And I think it's going to define this football team. Every championship football team is going to have a battle. It's going to have a war or two. And we had one today, and we responded in a great way, and I think that'll set some precedents. But as I told the players at the end of the game, I said even more so in life, because they're going to be in a battle and a war for their family and for their marriage someday, maybe for some issue in life, and they're going to be in a serious battle. And so many times when it's easy to give in and concede, our kids are going to remember instances like this and remember what it takes to finish and to finish strong. And that's our theme for this year, finish strong. And I thought our kids did that as we beat Elmhurst College.